So my name is Omar Rabasad. It is 9:58 a.m., April 10, 2021. So being scanned at high power. So you notice the huge RF readings. Notice the temperature went up 0 0.4 degrees in a minute and a half, approximately. 0 0.5. And that's how fast it goes up. And the oxygen is low. High RF readings, low oxygen every single time. And I'm in pain because of the RF readings. And here is the pressure.